So, today we're going to set up a smart greenhouse watering with the drip hose. Talking about the drip hose, you can find link in the description by the way. I really would recommend to set the hose before something is already planted, otherwise you are risking with anger of your wife if you accidentally break something. As for the setup, just follow along the video, I will leave some comments in the cheesy spaces. This is one of the most challenging thing if something is already planted, because the hose just tends to swirl, well, because it's brand new. I use some sticks to hold it in place. I had a couple of meters of hose left that I just bent over to not drip extra in one spot, but you can also easily adjust length of the hose, and that's for the next video. As for the smart system, I use a Zigbee smart watering system, where you can program the time when to start, duration or volume of the session. Link in description as usual.